In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Claude AI account. We'll move through the process clearly and confidently so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is permanent. It typically removes your chats and associated data and ends access to any features tied to your account. If there's anything important in your conversations, consider whether you need to save it first and make sure you're signed in with the correct account. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Claude website. When you land on the main page, sign in if you aren't already. You should see the familiar chat interface, which confirms you're in the right place to manage your settings. Next, look for the Settings option. It's usually represented by a small gear icon and may appear near the sidebar or in the corner of the screen. Click it to open the Settings panel. This is where Claude keeps all of your preferences and account controls, so take a second to let the page load fully before continuing. Inside Settings, find and select the Account section. Depending on the layout, it might appear directly as Account or be listed within a general settings area. Once you're in the Account view, you should see details related to your profile, such as your email, plan information, and security options. This confirms you're in the right spot to make changes to your account status. Now, locate the option to delete your account. It's typically labeled Delete Your Account and may be positioned toward the bottom of the account page to prevent accidental clicks. When you select it, Claude will usually display a confirmation message explaining what deletion means and what will be lost. Read that message carefully. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the deletion. You may be asked to verify your choice, and in some cases, you might need to re-authenticate, which is normal for sensitive actions like this. After you confirm, Claude will begin processing the deletion. You may be signed out immediately, and access to your chats will end. If you had an active plan, deletion typically stops future access. Exact billing or refund handling can vary by provider and platform, so review those details in advance if that's relevant to you. And that's it. You navigated to Claude, opened Settings, went to Account, and selected Delete Your Account. Thanks for following along, and take care.